I'm arriving to Rhodes Bay Hotel. It's 5-star hotel and location called is here. I'm looking forward to this stay. I'm staying here for one night and let's explore. You can actually choose different types of room here, and they also do all-inclusive, half board or just bed and breakfast. Here is a reception and check this space. I'm going outside and it looks amazing. It's absolutely beautiful. You can actually walk here around. And you can also sit here outside and have a drink. Very nice. I like this. Here is a bar. And again, really nice sitting area here. Let's explore a bit of this hotel. I arrived around 12 o'clock and my room is not ready yet, so I'm going to check swimming pool and the beach. This is only adults pool. Downstairs is a way to the second pool. This is actually really nice. Getting a towel is actually complicated. You need to go to the spa first and then you can go to the pool or the beach. So somewhere straight and left. I found some bed. I'm not going to lie, I'm like mixed feeling about this hotel. That's definitely not the best 5-star hotel what I've seen, but yeah, it's not end of the trip, so I'm not going to judge it now. I did not see my room yet, but so far it's kind of weird. Welcome to my room. I'm actually really surprised. I will start with a bathroom. So we have a bath here. Shampoo, hair conditioner. I'm actually so happy I have two. It's usually in some hotels they put like shampoo together with hair conditioner and I can use it for my hairs. Shower gel and body lotion. Nice. Sink and a toilet. Everything is nice, clean. So far so good. Let's continue. The bed is massive and it's just me here. I got little surprise, which is nice. Small sofa and it can be turned to a bed, so up to 3 persons can stay here. Let's actually check a wardrobe and what we have here before I go to the balcony. Complimentary tea, coffee, a safe here. It's actually a really good size. Perfect. A fridge, it's empty. Storage space for you. And here a bathrobe. It's just one because it's just me. And slippers. Nice. It's actually a really nice room. And let's go to the balcony. I think I got upgrade. I definitely got upgrade because I should have a forest view. And I have actually sea view. Absolutely perfect view. It's amazing. You can see the pool over there and see. Beautiful. Really, really nice. And this is actually first hotel in Rhodes which I visit, and they have USB chargers. Perfect. Amazing. Let me actually tell you, it smells so good here. It's so fresh. I'm not sure what they are using for cleaning, but it smells amazing here. I'm on my way to the beach. I'm going to check it. Let's see. I know at Stone Beach there is no like sandy beach in this part of the Rhodes, but it's fine. This is the hotel beach. It's really windy today. I actually found this way which leads to the hotel, and I was crossing the road like and waiting like 5 minutes there to cross the road. So just take this path and you will end up in the hotel. Playground for kids. During the evening they open the sunset bar here. You can chill out here and have some drinks and you can watch sunset. Hello, I actually check out from Rhodes Bay Hotel. As always, I'm going to be really honest with you. It's 5-star hotel, but I don't think their customer service meet this criteria. Definitely not. Room was amazing, absolutely stunning, well clean, well equipped, everything was perfect. But my main issue was with the people here. They are so like unfriendly, I would say. If you try to have a conversation with them, they are not like really responding. I did not get any information about the hotel. When I checked in, I needed to ask every single question. I didn't know where to get a towel, I didn't know where is the pool. Actually, I still didn't find a gym, so sorry, it's not in a video because it was really short stay. Also, I booked just with a breakfast. I did not get any information about dining option here, so I went out and eat restaurant outside of the hotel. Actually, I would like to eat here, but yeah, I did not get any information. I googled everything, so I found out they have 3 restaurants here, plus one Greek restaurant which is open just every second day or something. It's not open every day. But anyway, I think in 5-star hotel you should get all this information and you don't need to Google that. At the end of the day you are paying for that, don't you? Price range for this, I was here by myself, so just one person with a breakfast, 145 euros. Yeah, kinda alright, kinda expensive, depends of your budget. Would I stay here again? Probably not. I like hotel, but sometimes it's not enough. You need to feel like comfortable, and I did not feel really comfortable here. Room was nice, pool is alright, and that's it. Yeah, that's it for today. Stay safe, take care, and see you in another review. Bye bye.